Guys, let's pause the Asif Aslam and get back to our old business. In our previous videos, we have completed the reverse array and find the maximum and minimum element in the array. And today is 10th May, it is Saturday, and this is our third day of the streak of completing 450 DSA cracker questions. You know, Saturday is holiday, you are enjoying right now, but I'm unemployed, so I have to work. So let's get check to this question and let's head on to the next question, that is find the kth max and min element of an array. Let's crack it. Sorry, copyright तो नहीं आ जाएगा. So what is the question is telling, given an array ARR and an integer k where k is smaller than the size of an array, your task is to find the kth smallest element in the given array. Okay, so what question is telling is to find, given an array and an integer k should be smaller than the size of array. What does it mean? That if an array, for example this ARR, is equal to this only, what is the size of array? 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements. Well, this is the size of array, so such that k should be lesser than size of array. So what can we take? Up to 5. Okay, there are total 6 elements, but we have to take 5, so we consider it according to the input. We consider here 3. So how can we find? The major question is, your task is to find the kth smallest element. Okay, kth smallest element in the given array. So what will be our approach in this question such that we get third smallest number of this array? So basically what I thought in this question is to import heap by heap library. That is the biggest question. By heap q, you know, you are also wondering why heap q, because heaps are implemented through, it is a built-in Python module specifically used for minimum heaps, and it is the library in which we can put the smallest index at the 0th position. 0th position means this one, this is 0th position, 1 2 3 4 5, 5th position. Okay, so heap library enables us to arrange the array. Now what we will do after arranging the array, for example, as it is given 7, so after arranging it in ascending order 3 4 7, then what is the next number? 10 15 and 20. It is arranged in ascending order, and if the k is equal to 3, so according to the question we have to find the kth smallest, means third smallest. After arranging it in ascending order, we can easily find the third element, that is 7. What is the third smallest number? And we can easily find out our output, that is expected output, it is 7. So let's try this in on our coding environment, and let's start the timer. For this I am using Python here because I am comfortable with it. You can, if you are also comfortable with it, you can also go through this through my solution. Okay, first step, what we have to do, we have to import heap q library. By heap q library, I am justifying it again because it is used to convert array into minimum heap. Okay, what will be our next step? As you have seen that it is given before, that class solution is defined, and a function is also defined, that is kth smallest, using parameters self, arr and k. Now what is the next step? We have to first write heap dot heapify. It is similar like glorify, justify. We will do heapify. Is it funny? This convert the list into minimum heap, which is a binary heap where the smallest element is always at the root index, means the smallest number automatically get back to its zeroth position, and according to we can arrange it in ascending order. Okay, we heapified the first. I didn't put it q there, so I put it again. Now what will be our next step? We will create a loop for underscore in range k minus 1 heap q dot heap pop arr. Now why we have taken range k minus 1? Because loop removes the smallest element from the heap k minus 1 times, and because we want the kth smallest, so we remove the first k minus 1 smallest elements. After k minus 1 pops, the next smallest is the kth smallest. Okay, so k minus 1 get pops, and the next smallest is kth smallest. And then what after removing the k minus 1 smallest, we will return the output, that is return heap q dot heap pop arr. Okay, this is the complete code what we have to do, such that we can get this array in ascending order, and then putting value k equal to 3, and such that we can get output. Let's check it by doing compilation. Oh, I'm very scared of this thing. Let's see. Shit, there is something, an error. Oh, I had misspelled it. Okay, now I will try it again. Let's see what happens. And boom, we did it right. Okay, so for the given array 7, 10, 4, 3, 20, 15, first it arranged it in ascending order, and then it took the value k equal to 3, and our output is 7. What is expected to the value of the output, that is 7, which is same, and hence our test case passes. Now let's check it for another test case. For example, it is given in another example, that is 2, 3, 1, 20, 15, and k is equal to 4. Now we have to compile it again. Let's check it. What happens? Boom, we are right. We finally did it by using and importing a library, but we can also do it by using brute force. And let's submit this. The solution is submitted, and we have completed all our test cases, passed, and we gained 5 points and completed it in 4 minutes 30 seconds. Accuracy is 100%, but we made a mistake here, we know that. So positioning is very important for the solution, and submission is submitted, and here you can check your code. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in next video.